How to use CapIntel investment proposal platform app properly. Beginner mistakes that cost you. CapIntel is changing the game for financial advisors, but most beginners treat it like a fancy spreadsheet, and that's where the costly mistakes begin. Today, let's uncover how to actually use CapIntel the right way. CapIntel helps advisors build professional, data-driven investment proposals quickly. The key is precision, and that starts with properly importing your client data. Many users upload incomplete profiles, missing time horizons or risk tolerance. Without this info, CapIntel can't generate accurate recommendations. Next, when comparing funds or portfolios, don't just look at performance returns. Most people get this wrong. They ignore volatility and fees. CapIntel's comparison view shows risk-adjusted metrics like the Sharpe ratio. A fund with slightly lower returns but higher stability often wins in real-life results. Now, about proposals. Beginners often use generic templates and forget to personalize them. Add client goals, historical comparisons, and scenario outcomes. CapIntel's interactive charts make your proposal feel like a story, one that builds client trust. Also, pay attention to compliance tools. CapIntel automatically checks for documentation consistency, but only if your inputs are clean. Review your notes before exporting reports. One missing disclosure can delay an approval. Here's a pro tip: use CapIntel's integration features with Chrome or planning tools like Wealthsimple or Salesforce. This creates a seamless workflow and reduces manual errors. The surprising truth is that CapIntel isn't just about speed, it's about credibility. Advisors who use it properly close deals faster because their data tells a clear, visual story. So don't just fill in numbers. Build insights, personalize your proposals, and let CapIntel showcase your professionalism. When used right, it's not just software, it's your competitive edge.